Okay, back down the creek today. So just here was where I was working last time. I'm just going to try something a bit different maybe in that sense, and just go down to here. Work this area just here. Looks like there's a bit of ironstone and stuff here and some larger rocks, so I'm going to just work behind this piece of bedrock, see what happens. Also I might try just down here past the bones. There's another bit of bedrock behind the trees just down there, so that might get to do that. We'll see how we go, see what happens at this first spot. I've got the Equinox with me today. Going to run it in gold mode. Got the little 6-inch coil, and just have a little bit of a play with that more than anything. But I better get to it. Okay, just got the Equinox with me. Getting a little bit of a target here. It's a bit choppy. So between the 12 and the 14. And I did suspect this is the area that I've said I was going to work. So I'm going to dig this out. I have got the rotor pan so I can put a bit of material through. So I'll do that first and see what happens. Okay, haven't been filming too much today. What I've done, I started working here. Come across probably, about 1.5 meters. Got a little bit of colour. Not a lot, but a few little pieces. Could probably keep working into that bank, but not for today. Got to get home. Down here with another prospector. They've just been working up here. One of the crevices just there, just after where I was in my last video down here. And yeah, that'll be it for today. Nothing too exciting in that sense, but well, got a little bit of colour. You never know. Could be a shovel away from getting some gold. You never know. All right, till the next video. I'll see you all later.